Oh my, look at my hair. You see my hair? My hair is just gorgeous, right, honey? Say gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
It's just pinned out of the way for now.
Pink.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing a Valentine themed eyeshadow look with a Ace Beauté palette today. This is the Blossom palette from Ace Beauté. Completely like all pink and like Valentine's feeling. I did pick this up in their 50% off sale, so I wanted to do a Valentine's look with this today. This is the Blossom Passion palette. She's sitting down here. She's doing her makeup with me, so you guys may hear a little bit of a little voice coming in. She's waving and she says hi. If you guys like unfiltered makeup opinions and honest reviews, hit the subscribe button and let's get into this video. The Blossom Passion palette originally retails for $34.99 on the Ace Beauté site. Right now it's on sale when I'm filming this. So this is the new formula. It is not the old formula. I've heard great things about the new formula. Have not had a chance to try it just because I tried the old formula. I had a couple of palettes and I had some videos up on my channel all about like the Oceanic palette they had when they first released it, the old formula. So this is the new and improved, better formula from Ace Beauté. So let's create some Valentine's themed eyeshadow looks with the Blossom Passion palette today. If you guys want to see more Valentine themed and inspired looks, leave me a comment down below and let's do this. Let's get into this video. So just to kind of give you guys a 411 on what I'm wearing on the rest of my face, I do have the Makeup Revolution Super Matte Foundation paired with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, some Flower Beauty Low Light Liquid Contouring Wand, and then topped it off with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. And I also have the Milani Cheek Kiss Blush Highlight in Luminoso, and that one, I will have some speed reviews on some of this makeup. I'm really excited to try their new formula, see what it's all about. They had a lot of hype around their new formula that was released, so I'm just like, oh, I'm so ready for it. And I'm ready to try this eyeshadow palette. Like, look at all these beautiful pinks. There's some purples. There's some duochromes. It's just going to allow for like something really rich and dynamic and like pink for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to take some Urban Decay Quickie Concealer and prime my eyelids for this eyeshadow. Just a little bit.
I love eyeshadow.
You do your eyeshadow too, okay? Lids are primed with the Urban Decay Quickie Concealer. It just kind of like evens out everything and it gets like my eyes just like one blank canvas. And I really like the Quickie Concealer because it comes with that brush as well. The first shade I want to use is Seduction, which is the shade right here. This is like a purple, a very dark purple. And as of late, I have been watching some of Angelica Nyqvist's eyeshadow tutorials, and she just starts out and she goes right in with the pigment. So here we are with this really deep purple shade, packing this on the outer corner, and then really what I'm thinking of is like a gradient where it's purple and then it fades into like a pink shade. Like, look how pigmented that is though. That is so beautiful. Well, that is super pigmented. Pigmented purpley eyeshadow, exactly what I'm looking for. Like when I think of Valentine's looks, I think of like purples and pinks and like vivaciously bright colors. So that's like super pretty. Now I'm just gonna take, it's called Dahlia. Actually, there's like an electric like pink shade in here too. Look at that electric pink shade. Like that is so pretty. And then there's also Dahlia, which is what I was thinking of, kind of like transitioning this purple more onto my lid. I think that would work just a little bit better. So we're going to take my Sigma E24 and use Dahlia right here. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. And then we're just going to focus it mostly like on the center of my lid. Oh, that's so pretty. And really blend it into the purple and like blend these two together. So I'm going to take this Alter Ego. This is a number 5. It's like a flat, fluffy brush. And we're going to take Love, which is that like electric pink. And I'm going to focus this on the inner part of my lid. Oh, that's pretty.
Tap, 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 tap.
Yep, tap, tap, tap.
Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap.
All right, so we have a couple of like multi-chrome shades in here. Or not multi-chrome, they're more like duochrome. But this one called Orchid is like a shift from an orange to a pink. And then we have Beauty, which is like a purple to a pink shift. This is so pretty. Peony is like just like that classic pink foil shade. And then we also have Eros, which is like a pink foil shade. Look at all these gorgeous colors. They're just so pretty to put on the lid. Let's start with Orchid, and I'm gonna wet down that Alter Ego number 5 brush just with some Maybelline glass spray. With a wet brush, I'm gonna use Orchid. Just a little bit of that wet brush. We're gonna start like putting this on, and I'm gonna put it like kind of over that neon pink shade. I just want to give it a little bit of a glisten and a glow. So I just used a little bit of my ring finger and I used Orchid and kind of patted that on, and it made it look a little bit more like electric. But I also still want to use Peony, which is that like just like classic foil shade. And I'm going to layer this on top of Orchid with that wet brush first. So there's Peony like on top of the eyes, and I think I'm going to grab, so the Dragon Fruit collection is still available on the Clionadh website. So if you do have this eyeshadow palette, I think a duochrome or a multi-chrome look needs to be added to it, like in the inner corner, to just make it pop a little bit. I do love this Blossom Passion palette, and for the price, it's like excellent. So we're going to take some of the duo / multi-chromes in here, and I want to put them on my lid and make them kind of pop a little. There's like a purple shade, it's called Infusion, and then there's this one here called Effervescence. There's just so many beautiful multi-chromes. So Infusion is like a purple duochrome, and this Dragon Fruit collection is like one of my favorites, but this just needs a little pop of a like multi-chrome or duochrome like right here, and that mixes so well with that Peony shade, and it just pop. Like look at the pop there. So I'm just going to take my E24 from Sigma and blend the edges a little bit right here. Oh, that is so pretty. This is like the Valentine look of my dreams. Like this is what I've been envisioning, like playing with my makeup like all week. Now the Blossom Passion palette does have this skin tone shade, and I want to use this just to soften up the edges up here just a little bit. And I think that'll just look really nice. With this Blossom Passion palette, you could definitely do something a little bit more subtle if that's like more up your alley, but it definitely gives me like Valentine vibes. It's so pretty. That Clionadh shade is just stunning. Look how beautiful that Valentine, like that's just like Valentine's Day in an eyeshadow look. Now let's do the lower lash line. I want to use Love, which is that neon pink again, and this is actually on a Dragon Fruit brush. It's the DF03. Mommy. Good job! So we're using the DF03 from the actual Dragon Fruit collection, and we are putting this Love Love shade. I didn't even realize that, and it did inspire me to create a Valentine's Day look. So here is the completed makeup look. I did use the Pitaya highlighter. This is the purple highlighter from the Dragon Fruit collection from Clionadh. And it also, like, look at the cute little packaging in here. So the Dragon Fruit collection I did see is actually available on their site. I thought it was like completely sold out, but I guess they still have it. So definitely go check out the dragon fruit collection. It did, look at this gorgeous highlight. Like that's just so pretty. It's very like multi-chrome, purpley, and I feel like it's a great like blush topper as well. For mascara, I just used the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara. And guys, this mascara is really good. No matter what people are saying on the internet about it being like Lashgate or Mascara-geddon or anything like that, like this mascara is really good. I usually do about 2 coats. And my lashes look almost fake. And then for lips, I just finished it off with a L'Oreal Paris. This is the Fairest Nude Shade 800. And so we have this like completed makeup look. Oh, this is like the Valentine's look of my dreams. So pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you subscribe so I can see you again in my next video. Bye! Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Welcome to Mommy's channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Say, let's do makeup.
Let's do makeup.
What does Clary look like? Look in the camera. Look over here. She's McClary. Is that McClary?
What?
Yeah, you see all the sparkles on your face?